Hi guys, welcome to Global Macro Flow. So last week we talked about three major parts of a stock market investment strategy. Please check it out. It will really help you in understanding today's video. So we continue this week on discussing how to put together an investment strategy. So how do we put together an investment strategy? First thing you do, you need to start by reading other people's stuff. Pick up books, materials on investing in stocks. Read a lot, read wide. Put in the comment section of this video or email us if you want a list of books that could help you get started. So this reading can take a few months. It's part of the process. I'll say pick up about 5 to 10 books or materials. It's part of the process. You'd have to read and read wide. So you're not just reading, but you're meditating. So what does meditating entail? It entails asking yourself questions. So what kind of questions? So the kind of questions we're talking about are like what is the investment strategy that this book or material is presenting? Or in case of the book presenting multiple strategies, what are the multiple investment strategies presented in this book? So how do you know what's an investment strategy? Check out our last week video. So don't just copy and paste something you find from a book or material thinking you all right, that's it, I'm ready to go. You require much more meditation on the strategy. So you have to ask yourself, what makes this strategy work? What doesn't? What are the assumptions made in deriving this strategy? With the current amount of capital I have or I'm willing to invest, can these assumptions hold with my capital? So asking yourself questions, it continues. Can you implement this strategy yourself or will it have to be automated? What time frame does this strategy work best? Some might work best over a daily time frame, over a weekly time frame, over a monthly time frame. Some might work best over an hourly time frame. So what strategy does this what time frame rather does this strategy work best in? And is that time frame suitable for you and your current time demands? So these are about 10 questions we've just mentioned and they look simple, right? Truth is you really need to think deeply to find the answers to these questions. And that process of thinking deeply to find the answers to these questions will take time. But if you want to trade for yourself, it's totally worth it. It may take you up to a month to come up with answers to these questions for just one strategy that you come across during your reading. That's fine, no problem. But by the time you're done with these questions for 5 to 10 books or materials, you'll end up with an investment strategy that you're comfortable with. Most times it's not even entirely a strategy you read about. It will most likely be a mix and match from what you've read from various sources in the course of answering the questions that we've just mentioned earlier. And once you've done this, you have met a major benchmark on your journey to being an independent trader in the stock market. So what's our call to action today? Have an open mind and be prepared to read wide and engage in deep thinking. The end result will be an investment strategy that will help you build your wealth.